unnecessary Star Wars reference. Pop review, you've read the title probably. Thumbnails random. I've never watched Star Wars before. Well, I watched a couple minutes of The Mandalorian, but that's literally it. So I know nothing about this character. The most I've known about Star Wars is I've been playing the Lego Force Awakens. Why am I moving my hair? Anyways, they've got Jyn Erso from the Rogue One set. This is the earliest out of them all. And also, they're in the set twice. But yeah, this is the box. This came out in 2016. So this is my oldest pop. Just getting them out of the box. Also, I tested this before video, but I wanted to know if it was like the old version of General Grievous, where I think that's his name. Like, if you're watching this and you know stuff about Star Wars, is General Grievous the one with 4 arms? Who Obi-Wan says hello there to. Anyway, so yeah, about that. I was checking if it could come off the base. Yes. The answer is yes. And they stand pretty well without it. This is my second Star Wars pop. But yeah, not really much to say about it. It's cool and very old. Very old. And so I don't know how much it is. So I got this for $4.99. So in pounds. I don't know how much that is in dollars. And then I went on the Funko app and scanned it off camera. And it came up with $9 for it. I don't know how much that is in pounds. So also, if there's any Americans watching this, please convert. Wait, no. No, I'm stupid. Okay, no. If you're watching and you know how to convert dollars to pounds, can you please say how much it is in pounds in the comments, please? Thank you. Anyways, I'm going to put this back in box. Okay, so before the video ends, I wish this video was sponsored by Cookie Run Kingdom, but it's not sponsored by Cookie Run Kingdom, so I am not going to do an ad. No, I'm just kidding. I am. And I'm kidding with that. I'm not. Bye. I misclicked on stop. Okay, bye.